how much this hotel costs?
Isha. That looks so.
Why you would still play something? He's like, you can leave. Oh. But I just feel better protecting myself.
You've been clear. Laptop, computers, and similar sized devices must be turned off at this time. On behalf of this flight crew and Southwest Airlines, welcome to San Juan. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened.
Puerto Rico.
That down. What? No, push this down right here, and then see if it opens. Hold it down while you try to open it. There you Thank you. See? Yeah, that. Get on it. I got you, baby.
Beautiful. How do you say that in Spanish?
Está bonita.
Esta bonita.
Your upper socks it up. How many pieces are there? And drop it. Alright, we ready? Set, go. Done. No. Go. 3, 2, stop. Alright, so this is called a fling thing. How you play it is, again, look mom, no hands. You have to get a chopstick.
And, oh, okay. Oh.
Okay.
So we're timing how long it takes to do it?
So the goal is to fling it.
She did it first.
No, but she did it wrong. So she did it over. Every time you use your hand.
We got video evidence.
Are you putting music over this or something?
Salud! Salud!
In order to get the answer or the point, you have to get the answer right.
with only 21 questions. For example, let's say I want you to solve the word balloon. I know it's balloon because I have the card.
Okay.
The person next to me from the other team knows balloon. You two are my partners. You can only ask me yes or no questions. So, do I use my mouth on it? Yes. Do I blow it up? Yes.
Is it a car?
No.
Is it something that you give guests at a wedding?
No.
Is it something that guests give you at a wedding?
Yes.
Is it something you can taste?
Yes.
Is it a cake?
No.
Is it something you can throw?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yes. I'm gonna need this on Saturday morning. Because I'm telling y'all right now, you guys, we need to get another bottle of liquor. Because that's easy.
Okay, let me see what this looking like. What's this? Let me go over here. This look a lot better.
Yeah.
Where I do allow you guys to sit in the middle area in between these two triangles.
My cousin, always. A million times.
My stomach just dropped.
Merenguito, eso yo. Mira cómo.
It's a weenie and a weenie. Really?
I'm so hungry. I couldn't even.
You know, so good.
I couldn't even.
Really good.
Oh my God, the
Right to me.
It's pretty good to see on here as well.
Yeah.